With fall comes back to school, but not at the very start of our story, because education took time to get going here as elsewhere. Most children in the 19th and early 20th century left school early. They were considered more useful when put to work. Although Persay got its first elementary school in 1839, 20 years later, Father Guimet wrote to his bishop, "The education of families is non existent. Children are told about fish, shorelines, and storms. Religion is reserved for educating priests. At the age of 5 or 6, children will be able to swim like cod. By 10, they'll be able to handle a boat like a professional, but they won't know a word of the catechism." In 1912, the Brothers of the Cross in Rimouski nonetheless opened an academy for boys in the building. A boarding school was added 3 years later, but it quickly became apparent that the fees were too high, and the building became the village school after less than 10 years. Then, in 1944, education in Quebec changed forever with the Compulsory Education Act. School attendance on the Gaspé Peninsula jumped to an unprecedented high of almost 90%. The village school no doubt taught its students in history class that when Jacques Cartier arrived off the coast in 1534, he made no mention in his writings of Persay Rock, but rather of Cape Pratto, now thought to have been Mont Sainte Anne and its natural extension, Cape Blanc. Pratto means meadow and is believed to have come from the Basque fishermen who often came to fish close to Persay. In any event, the cape bequeathed its name to the old village school.